come back. The sum of two numbers is 13 and their difference is 3. Find the number. So we want to find two numbers such that when we add the two numbers together, it will give us 13. And when we subtract the two numbers together, when we subtract the two numbers, it will give us 3. So in this case, we don't know what the numbers are. So we can use any alphabet to represent the number. So we can use AB, we can use XY, you can use PQ, depending on the alphabet you want to use. And this question will lead us to a simultaneous equation. So let's solve this together. So we can let the numbers, we can represent the number like I said earlier. We can use any alphabet. So in this case, let's use X and Y. So when we have the two numbers as X and Y, so when we add the two together, X plus Y will give us 13, and when we subtract X minus Y will give us 3. So we can call this one equation 1 and we call this equation 2. So like I've said it earlier that the question will lead us to a simultaneous equation. Having this simultaneous equation, we can choose any of the methods of solving simultaneous equation to solve it. We can use elimination method, we can use substitution method, we can also solve graphically. But in this case, we are going to be using the elimination method to solve the equation. So what do I mean by elimination method? We are going to look for a way of eliminating either X from here or Y from here. So if we look at this question very well, if we add, if we subtract equation 1 and equation 2, if we subtract the two equations, so then we'll be able to eliminate X, because this will give us X minus X, which will give 0. So using elimination method, we are going to be having, when we subtract this, so we have X minus X, then we have plus Y minus Y, and that will give us 13 minus 3. So X minus X is 0, minus times minus will give us plus. So we have Y plus Y equal to 13 minus 3 is 10. Then Y plus Y will give us 2Y equals 10. So to solve for Y here, we can divide both sides by 2. Dividing both sides by 2, so then we have 2Y over 2 equal to 10 over 2. Then this, we cancel this out, then we are left with Y equal to 5. We have been able to calculate the value of Y. So we are looking for the X now. Since we have this, we can substitute the value of Y in any of the equations we have above. So we can decide to substitute the value of Y in either equation 1 or equation 2. So let's pick equation 1. From equation 1, we have equation 1 as X plus Y equal to 13. When Y equal to 5, according to our solution here, then we put in the value. We have X plus 5 equals 13. So we can subtract 5 from both sides to clear this. So we have X plus 5 minus 5 equals 13 minus 5. So this is 0. 5 minus 5 will give 0. Then we are left with 13 minus 5. What is 13 minus 5? That will give us 8. So X equals 8 and Y equals 5. You can check to be sure that we are correct. So how do we check? When X is 8 and Y is 5, then we have X plus Y to be equal to 8 plus 5. What is 8 plus 5? The 13 that we're given in the question. And what is 8 minus 5 as well? When X is 8 and Y is 5, 8 minus 5 will give us 3, which is the same in the equation we have. So we have been able to solve this word problem question leading to simultaneous equation, and X is 8, Y equals 5.